Sleep is essential for a baby's growth and development, and longer sleep stretches can help both the baby and the parents feel more rested. Many new parents wonder about their babies' sleeping routines at night. Here are the typical age ranges when babies begin to sleep for longer periods at night, and what parents can do to encourage better sleep habits. In the first few months after birth, babies have tiny stomachs and need to eat frequently, usually every 2 to 3 hours. This means they wake up often for feedings, day and night. Their sleep patterns are irregular and they might nap a lot during the day. Around 3 to 6 months, babies start to develop more regular sleep patterns. They might begin to sleep longer at night and take more structured naps during the day. Establishing a bedtime routine can help signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. By 6 months, some babies can sleep for longer stretches at night without needing to eat. They may sleep 6 to 8 hours straight, though this can vary widely among babies. Consistency in bedtime routines and creating a sleep-friendly environment can support longer sleep durations. Daytime naps also play a vital role in how well babies sleep at night. Babies need naps during the day to avoid becoming overtired, which can make it harder for them to sleep at night. By ensuring that their baby is well rested during the day, parents will help promote better sleep at night. A portable sound machine for babies offers soothing sounds to help them sleep better on the go. The Baby Shusher sound machine helps calm babies with gentle, rhythmic sounds. It mimics the comforting sounds of a parent's shush, making it easier for little ones to sleep. This portable device is easy to use and can be taken anywhere. It helps create a peaceful environment for nap time or bedtime. A baby night light provides a soft, comforting glow, helping to create a soothing atmosphere for bedtime. The Joliwell Baby Night Light is a cute, portable egg-shaped lamp. It gives a soft, gentle glow, perfect for bedtime. This night light helps babies feel safe and calm at night. Understanding these stages will help ensuring a comfortable sleep environment, and responding to your baby's needs with care will all contribute to better sleep for both baby and parents.